Hey everyone, so today we are going to look at master panel, that how master panel works for Botmaster. It is a master panel. Okay, here you will be able to see two options, like one for license and one for reseller. So by using the master panel, what you can do, you can create your own resellers and license as well. Like in reseller panel we are only able to create license only, okay, but here we can create unlimited resellers for selling the franchise. Like suppose right now, if you are selling single license for 500 or 1000 or 1500, what you can do, instead of selling single license, you can sell the franchise or the reseller panel for much more cost than that, like 5000, 10,000. It's up to you, according to the client. Okay, so here in reseller, what we do, we suppose a person is also trying to sell the same software as we do. So what we can do, we can create him a reseller account. So like demo reseller 485. Okay, now it's up to you that what is the name, or what is the branding you want to give here. So at the top of there is a login as for support and update WhatsApp +91 my number 9953901841. So it's up to you that what is the branding you want to give. Please keep the original number all the time, okay, because if you keep so many similar numbers, then there's a chance that while spamming the keys get deleted. Okay, so at least keep one number difference. Here we have put all the details here, okay, and we will activate this reseller. We will save it, demo reseller 45. We just save it. We will open a new window, our license panel. Okay, so I'm telling you that license.whatscloud API is owned our name. Okay, the particular domain, we are the developer, we are the creator, and we are everything for this Botmaster on this domain. Okay, if somebody is saying that they are the owner of the domain, they are not. We have put the details. Okay, this captcha, I don't like this captcha at all. It is verified. See here, it's the reseller panel we have created from master panel. Okay, we will add new. You can see my software here, it is 17 days remaining. Okay, so we'll go in the view license part, we'll copy this number, email ID, please select the country. Okay, request key we will paste here, the request key shown on our desktop. We will not generate it right away, just allow it first. Allow sending, allow reply, allow filter, then click on active, and then generate the license key. Okay, we'll copy it and save it. After that we will put this key here. Now it will validate. See, 29 September 2024. So in master panel we have created a reseller, and using that reseller we have created a key for the customer. Like this we are using the master panel. Okay, in master panel you can get your own branding also. It's up to you how to it's up to you if you want to give this kind of branding or not. Okay, but if you are the owner of the master panel, you can give. It will happen further getting more clients. In license also directly you can create new license. Just I have told you right now, you can get this master panel on your own domain also. Like here we have given license.what's cloud API. You can get on your own domain. There's a little more cost than normal master panel and all. So as for now, this is the only thing about master panel. Okay, you are having certain privileges in using the master panel, like you are the owner of all the license and all the resellers. You can control when to activate and when to deactivate. Okay, if you have any doubt, just let me know. On a special offer, what we are doing, we are giving the source code of this Botmaster software free with this panel, this master panel. Okay, so if you are taking the master panel, you will get the Botmaster source code free of cost. This kind of source code you will get. If you have any query, just let me know.